Hello everyone, welcome to ZenithQuest. In this video, I will show you how to build a CSV chatbot using LangChain powered by OpenAI GPT. It lets you upload any CSV file like sales data, survey results, or employee records, and simply ask any questions like in a natural language, and it will give you the apt answer based on the data. Okay, so behind the scenes, the app combines data processing with AI reasoning. So it feels like you are chatting with a smart assistant who understands your data. So now I will go through both a code-based demo using Visual Studio Code and a user-friendly UI demo using Streamlit. And by the end, you will understand how LangChain integrates GPT and how this is different from any other AI tool. Okay. So now okay. So here comes what are the key packages that makes this work. If you look over here, it's powered by few Python packages like LangChain. Okay. It connects everything together, especially with OpenAI a GPT-4 model. Okay, if I look into the code, I will show you. Okay, and it will be here. Okay, look over here. See, it's GPT-4. Okay, it's over here, and you will see in the code that where we are using the OpenAI chat OpenAI. If you can see in the top actually. Okay, and for the second part of our demo, okay, like I will be showing you over here in the second part of demo. Like I will add a Streamlit, okay, which gives you the easy drag and drop web interfaces. I will show you in the later part. Okay, so in short, the LangChain plus GPT plus Pandas is what this power does actually. Okay, so the next part. Okay, there are two ways. Okay, we can run this actually. Like first is from the terminal. Okay, like and next is from the web actually. From first, just it will run a Python file. Like we can just type your questions. It's fast and it is mainly great for developers. But if you prefer, okay, like visual interface, we have got you covered with the Streamlit. Okay, now I will show you the demo. So just one command and you will see a simple web page. You can drag and drop any CSV file and ask questions and get answers instantly. Okay, and I have given this code all the details like input file, all the details I have given in the GitHub repo actually. So now we'll go for the demo. Okay, I'll be showing you two demo. Okay, one is with the terminal and one is with the web, how it is coming. Okay, so now let's over here. Here comes the data part. Okay, it's a simple data. Like otherwise, I can show you in this. Just hold on. Okay, you can see just a simple HR type of data actually. Okay, you have name, you have age, department, salary, location. I'm not going to use any of the like filters or anything. I'll be just explaining how. Okay, so let's keep this thing same. Here is the our code. Okay, you can see the GPT-4 how I have used, and I'm not going to explain here too much because it is simple actually. You can from the GitHub you can easily extract and you can do it. Okay, so this is the location I'm giving Python. The code name is chat underscore CSV dot py. So how this LangChain works, you can see slowly it started doing. It is asking chat with your CSV. Okay, because I have given you type exit or quit. Okay. So now you have seen this data. Okay. Now I will be asking, give me the department HR. Okay. I'll be asking like this. See, it is in a started processing. Okay. So see, it gives thought I will filter the data frame to get only the rows of department HR. First, it has given you these details. And if you look over here, it is given, see, name is Suresh, 45, HR, 6000, Chennai. It matches the same. Okay. Here, see, this is the HR details. Okay. The Suresh is the person. Okay. And I am asking like next question I will ask, what is the salary? Okay. Total salary will ask. Okay. Again, it is generating. Okay. So 3,34,000. So the total salary is 3,34,000. So we can check also. Okay. See, it is here 3,34,000. Okay. And next, I can ask like mm, uh, age greater, how what we can say, age greater than 30, we will ask. Okay. If that is the case, only 29 should leave. Apart from Priya, it should extract everyone date. Age than 30. Okay. So it is giving all the details. See, all Aisha 38, 40. Apart from this Priya, it has given every details. Okay. Now I am giving drop. Okay, this is the Python mode of extraction. Now I want to give in a web mode. Okay, like Streamlit, whatever I said. It is simple. Okay, just Streamlit run app.py because that app.py, it has all the part actually. Okay, so just hold on. Oh, sorry. I should have given in the next part. So now it has opened a page. Okay, Streamlit page. Okay, this is the way. Okay, chat with your CSVC. Now a web page has opened. Now I'm uploading the this HR file. Okay, the same file I'm uploading. Here I need to give my API key. Do not share it with anyone. Okay, because it is sensitive. And now I'm asking the same question. What I can ask? Wait, let me go over here for understanding purpose. Okay. I'm asking. Uh, I can ask the same question. Who is from marketing? So it is extracting. Yeah, John and Aisha. Okay, I hope it is correct, right? Marketing, yeah. Aisha and John are from marketing. So it is giving those details. And the same way I can ask like age greater than 30. It should give the same details. So it is given, see, name. See, I didn't use any of the, what to say, like tricks like in terms of filtration or anything. Just the Excel sheet is there, and with the help of LangChain, it is giving lot many data. This is a simple code, okay? But you can, if you want to do multiple things, you can do with this code. You can just change the Excel sheet because this is a HR data. You can use your sales data, and you can use any Excel sheet actually, and you can play as you wish actually. So now you understand, right, how it is very easy and how it is helping the developers role actually. Okay, so now let's come back. Just hold. So we have seen here is the part, and why we need to use LangChain. Okay, the same thing can be done in the AI tool also, right? So why? Because here's the difference. LangChain is not just about chatting with an AI. Okay, it lets you connect to the AI to real tools. Okay, in our demo, LangChain creates an agent that actually read and understand the CSV using Pandas behind the scenes. Okay, and we have the full control. We told it to use OpenAI's GPT-4, but you can swap. Okay, whichever model you like, you can swap it actually. So compare that with most no AI tools. They are quick but limited. LangChain gives you the power to build real production grade applications. Okay, so why now? If you look over here, like there's a LangChain plus GPT. Okay, that gives a supercharged data exploration because I want to wrap over here. Okay, because now this LangChain helps you turn powerful LLMs like GPT-4 into agents that can talk to files, APIs, and even to the Python. Okay, so in this short demo, you saw how a CSV becomes interactive Q&A experience, right? No manual coding or no Excel feed filters were needed. LangChain gives you developers like you the full flexibility. unlike most no-code tools. So if you are excited by this, check out the GitHub repo and try it yourself. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. Okay. And if you have any queries, you can share your queries on this comment. Okay. So that I will reply it. You like it, subscribe it, and share it to your friends. Thank you. See you again in some other video.